What if every choice you didn't make created a whole new world? Imagine infinite versions of yourself living out every single possibility. Dive with us into the mind-bending reality of the quantum realm, where parallel universes aren't just science fiction. They're a chilling, unsettling probability. Every day, you make countless decisions: what to eat for breakfast, which route to take to work, whether to speak up in a meeting. We experience these as a single timeline. But what if that's just an illusion? What if, at the smallest, most fundamental level of reality, every possible outcome of every event actually happens? This isn't philosophy. It's a conclusion drawn from the bizarre rules of the quantum realm. To understand how there could be a universe where you became an astronaut, we first need to understand the physics that makes it possible. Welcome to the quantum quandary. At this tiny scale, particles don't follow the rules we're used to. They exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple states at once, until they are measured. The most famous example is Schrödinger's cat. Inside a box, a cat's life is tied to a random quantum event. Until you open the box and look, the cat is considered both 100% alive and 100% dead at the same time. This seems impossible, right? In the 1950s, a physicist named Hugh Everett III proposed a radical solution. He said the cat isn't both alive and dead in our universe. Instead, the moment of observation splits the universe in two. In one universe, you open the box and find a living cat. In another parallel universe, an identical you opens the box and finds a dead one. This is the many worlds interpretation, MWI. It suggests that there is no collapse of possibilities. Every quantum possibility branches off to create its own, very real, parallel universe. And while we can't visit these worlds, the underlying science is being proven every day. The very existence of quantum computers, which rely on particles being in multiple states at once, hints at this branching reality. Experiments showing that a single particle can interfere with itself as if it traveled multiple paths simultaneously lend further support to this mind-bending idea. This is where the science becomes deeply personal and, for many, deeply unsettling. If the many worlds interpretation is correct, then there is a universe where you took that job you turned down. A universe where you never met your partner. A universe where you pursued your dream of being an artist. There are countless versions of you, each convinced they are the only one, each living out the consequences of a single different choice. This forces us to ask profound questions. What does free will even mean if every choice is made and every path is taken? Does it take away the weight of our decisions, or does it add an infinite weight to them? Some find comfort in the idea that a version of them succeeded where they failed. Others feel an existential dread, a sense of being just one insignificant leaf on an infinitely branching tree of reality. The many worlds interpretation is just one way to imagine a multiverse. Other theories at the frontier of physics paint equally stunning pictures. Inflationary cosmology suggests that in the aftermath of the Big Bang, other bubble universes were created, each potentially with different laws of physics. String theory proposes the existence of higher dimensions, where our entire universe could be just one brain, floating alongside others. A collision between these brains could even trigger a new Big Bang. What's crucial is that these aren't just random guesses. They are the logical conclusions of our best, most tested theories of the universe. The debate is no longer if a multiverse is possible, but which version, if any, is the correct one. The quantum realm has revealed that the universe we see might just be a single page in an infinite library. The idea of parallel universes challenges the very foundation of our perception of reality and our own identity. It is perhaps the most profound and humbling realization in all of science. This leads to a final open-ended question that we leave with you. If every quantum event truly spawns a new universe, where do we go from here? What does that mean for you? We'd love to read your thoughts and theories on this incredible topic in the comments below. And if this journey into the infinite shattered your perception of reality, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the great silence. Thank you for watching.